Hey guys, we're back. So we got the 500 subscribers, and as promised, we're back on the vlog. So today it's after work drift, one of our own events. Here we got some cool cars. Let me see if I can catch them for you. As you can see, it's a lot of BMW, some Volvo, Lexus, Toyotas, an Audi, and some Nissans, of course. So I'll show you around, and I hope you like it.
Maybach music.
It's still in full action. A lot of cool cars also in the paddock, as you can see right here. So this was our afterwork drift event. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like down here somewhere. Make sure to be here next time, as all the fun is in driving, not just watching it. So yeah, I see you soon. Bye bye.